Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English Shadowing Podcast. I'm Emily. Today we're going to talk about something that every English learner feels. Something that can make you strong. Or hold you back. Confidence while speaking English. It's not about grammar. It's not about big words. It's about courage. About feeling free to express yourself. Even when you make mistakes. So sit back. Relax. And let's talk about how to build real confidence in English. When we start learning a new language, we often feel nervous. We worry about what people think. We think too much about every word, every sound. But the truth is, confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being brave. It comes from speaking even when you're afraid. Every time you speak English, you're becoming stronger. You're training your mind. And your voice. Remember, confidence grows through practice, not through silence. Let's imagine this. You're talking to someone in English. You know what you want to say. But suddenly your mind goes blank. You forget a word. What do? You smile. You pause. You breathe. And you keep going. That's confidence. Not giving up. Not panicking. Just continuing calmly. Because communication is not about perfection. It's about connection. And connection comes from honesty and heart. Think about this. Even native speakers make mistakes. They pause. They forget words. They say things twice. And nobody cares. So why should you? You are learning. You are growing. And that's something to be proud of. Confidence comes when you accept your mistakes. And learn to smile through them. The first step to confidence is believing in yourself. You have to tell your mind, I can do this. Even if it's hard. Say it with me. I can speak English. I can express myself clearly. I am learning every day. I'm proud of my progress. That's how you train your brain to be brave. The second step to confidence is practice. Real practice. Not only reading. Not only listening. But speaking. Speak out loud every day. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Repeat after native speakers. That's why shadowing is powerful. Because it helps you feel the language. Not just understand it. When you shadow, you copy rhythm, tone, emotion, and you sound more natural. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become. The third step is changing how you think about mistakes. Many learners fear them. But mistakes are your best teachers. Every mistake you make shows you what to improve. It's not failure. It's growth. Say this. Mistakes help me grow. Every mistake teaches me something new. I'm not afraid to be wrong. Because I'm learning. Beautiful. That's how you should speak to yourself every day. The fourth step is focus on progress, not perfection. You might not speak perfectly today, but you speak better than yesterday. And that's success. Look at how far you've come. You understand more than before. You pronounce better. You express ideas more clearly. That's real progress. Confidence grows when you notice small wins. Celebrate them. You deserve it. The fifth step is learning to relax while speaking. When you feel nervous, your body becomes tight. Your voice shakes. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Smile gently. And speak slowly. Confidence lives in calmness. When you are calm, your words sound natural. Your tone becomes warm. You don't have to rush. Take your time. Enjoy your voice. The sixth step is to speak from the heart. Don't worry about sounding like someone else. Just be you. Your accent is part of your story. Your mistakes show your courage. Your voice is unique. People remember feeling, not grammar. So speak with feeling. Speak with honesty. Speak with love. When you speak from the heart, people will listen. And they will understand you. Let's do a confidence shadowing practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I'm not afraid to speak English. I'm learning every day. My English improves with every word. I speak clearly and calmly. I believe in myself. Now again. I'm not afraid to speak English. I'm learning every day. My English improves with every word. I speak clearly and calmly. I believe in myself. Excellent. You sound powerful already. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is natural. It happens to everyone. But when fear comes, don't fight it. Just breathe. And keep going. Confidence doesn't mean no fear. It means moving forward even when you're afraid. Each time you speak, fear becomes smaller. And your confidence grows bigger. So never stop speaking. Keep practicing. Keep showing up. Sometimes people will not understand you. That's okay. It doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means you're human. Just repeat slowly. Or use different words. That's what confident people do. Communication is not about perfection. It's about effort. About connection. About sharing who you are. Let's repeat some powerful lines together. I speak English with courage. I express myself freely. I am confident and calm. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be me. Again. I speak English with courage. I express myself freely. I am confident and calm. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be me. When you speak confidently, people will feel your energy. They will listen more. They will respect your effort. Confidence attracts connection. And connection builds fluency. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And the more confident you are, the better you speak. It's a beautiful circle. Let's take a deep breath now. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out gently. You are doing wonderful. You are brave for learning a new language. And you are improving every day. Never forget this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be present. Speak with your heart. Trust your voice. And keep going. Thank you for joining me today for this peaceful shadowing practice about confidence. Remember, every time you speak English, you are growing stronger. Keep believing in yourself. Keep practicing every day. And keep shining with confidence. I'm Emily. And I'll see you again soon. Take care. And keep speaking with courage and love.